Understanding Wear a Tuxedo, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase, wear a tuxedo. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and some interesting cultural contexts surrounding it. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your English, this video is for you. Wear a tuxedo refers to the action of putting on a tuxedo, a formal suit typically worn by men on special occasions. A tuxedo includes a formal jacket, trousers, a bow tie, and sometimes a waistcoat. It's associated with elegance and sophistication. Understanding this phrase is essential for social events and formal gatherings. The term tuxedo has its roots in North American English, deriving from Tuxedo Park, a New York high society gathering place. Over time, wear a tuxedo has become synonymous with dressing formally. We often see this phrase in invitations, indicating the expected dress code. Tuxedos are not just clothing but carry cultural significance. They are often worn at weddings, formal parties, and significant events like award ceremonies. Understanding when to wear a tuxedo is part of navigating English-speaking social settings. Here are some tips. Context is key. Use the phrase when discussing formal events. Dress code clarity. If you're hosting an event, saying, "Wear a tuxedo," clearly communicates the expected attire. Cultural variations. Be aware that formal attire may vary in different cultures. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of wear a tuxedo. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also understanding the cultural nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.